Right guys, very windy here, so I'm gonna try and fit this new capacitor and see if this mixer's going. It was a previous job where the mixer packed in at the worst time. Swear guys, if I had no bad luck, I'd have no luck at all. The drum of the mixer came off as it was sticking. If you look at that capacitor, it's goosed. Obviously, of course, but it didn't take too long for this to come. I'm gonna get this in and show you how re-rattling, but show you how I fit it, if I can fit it, and see if it fixes the mixer. So the problem with the mixer was there's power going to it, and you push the button. This is how I narrowed it down to being a capacitor. You push the button and it just goes so the motor's going, but it's not turning, it's not spinning, but there's noise, but it's not spinning, and that's what led me to believe that it's capacitor. What the capacitor does is it gives it that burst of energy, that burst of electric to actually start spinning, especially with the load in it. You can imagine it's a lot. There's about a wheelbarrow full of cement in them things when they're full, so it needs a big burst of electric, big burst of power to get spinning, and that's what the capacitor does. So hopefully this works, and it'll be a helpful video for anybody's mixers that did break. I'll try and leave links to capacitors, to Belle mixers, and keep you out of trouble. Where the capacitor is should be in behind this casing, so you just take out these 4 screws, well, on this mixer anyway. And I'm gonna need a Stanley knife as well to cut it off, because it's cable tied in. I think I had a bit of issue with it before. So there we go, that's the old one. You can see it's pretty bad shape. This one is a bit bigger, so I'm gonna have to try and get in there, maybe cable tie it somewhere. Again, don't lose your screws guys. I always put them in that, and then I don't lose them. It's a bit dirty in there, but so let's get a look at this thing. So the wire comes right around, so hopefully it's just a matter of taking the brown and the red out. So it's good that I'm taking a video because I'm going to re-watch it. So the brown is on the right side and the red is on the left for me. So just so I don't get mixed up, when I pulled one out, I fitted the other one. Quite stiff, but thankfully this mixer here does just, hard to do this with one hand, but does just pull up. I'll pull it up and out, and then I'll fit the other one and show you. See, that did give me quite a fight with the rust on it there, so some moisture must have got in here at some stage. But yeah, so fitting the other one again. Trying to get us to see this. So it's just a sleeve fitting, so it's not too bad. Just pushes down. Don't know if seeing it, but just pushes down on and locks in. So that's it fitted. So let's get this turned on and see if it actually works. So I have my mixer on. You see the red light. Again, I put this plug on it, and they don't normally come with that, as my lead got broke or the plug got smashed or something, and the other plug wasn't very waterproof here, but this one's pretty good. So that's it on. And wired in. So moment of truth, whether or not I've actually fixed it with this capacitor. So there you go. Seems like it's going. Doesn't sound great, to be honest, but that might be I need to fix this drum and stuff, as the drum did come off, but she is spinning. So spinning very slow. It is spinning, so there does seem like it's fixed. Doesn't sound amazing. Might have to give it a bit of a service, a bit of a clean out, but if your mixer isn't going, then that might be what's wrong with it, that capacitor. So if you turn it on, it's just going, it could be a capacitor. Just fix the capacitor in that, but I want to note is that just make sure you get the exact same capacitor that your machine needs, as I did make a bit of a mistake and I had to re-get the capacitor for the right voltage. So that one's 450, so make sure if yours is says 450, whatever says on your capacitor, get the exact same voltage.